Hello and welcome to our channel, My AI Marketing Solutions. I am Robert Dunbar and I am from TBD Coaching, also partnered with Mr. Keith Sylvester. Mr. Sylvester is not here with us today, but you will see that I'll be shooting some videos and loading them here. He'll be shooting some videos and loading here, so you'll get tons of videos from my partner and myself on how to use AI to market yourself, market your business, create your brand, do all of the things that it takes to get your product and services out there. So name of our channel, My AI Marketing Solutions. Our first product that we have that we're offering through our company is called My AI Marketing Accelerator. And you're going to see that right now we are offering it at a very low discounted rate because this is our soft launch on our product. So it's just $9.97 a month or $99 a year to have the product. And again, this is only going to last until Black Friday. When Black Friday hits, so just so you know, when you're looking at this video this past Black Friday, you already missed the $9.97. The Black Friday special will be $14.97. So you'll be able to get that on during Black Friday. You'll be able to come here, come right in the criteria on the bottom, right below the video, and click that link to get it. And then after that, the price will be going to a regular $24.97 for this product on a monthly basis, or $249 a year. To have it, we're going to have an essential level, a pro level, and an enterprise level. So right now, again, today, up until the night of Thanksgiving, you will be able to get our product at $9.97 on a month-to-month basis, or $99 a year. So again, my name is Robert Dunbar, TBD Coaching, and partnered with Keith Sylvester for our company that we have together, which is called My AI Marketing Solutions. And this is our very first video. Thanks for jumping on, taking a look at the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe so that you're notified when we drop a video. Be prepared for us to do a live video every Thursday. And then also we'll be staggering some videos on here, each of us or together. So you will see all of that happening here on this channel. So please make sure you support it. We're going to help you. Even if you're not using our product, we can help you move your marketing faster through artificial intelligence. So let's go ahead and get started on this quick presentation, just so you have an idea of why we created a product called My AI Marketing Accelerator, right? Which for short, we call it MAMA. So this is introducing MAMA, which is a product that will help you unlock virtually limitless high quality content with just one click. Now, depending on what you're doing, could be a few clicks, right? But just one click, you can literally hit a submit button. Boom, you've got over 20 pieces of marketing content that we call a brain dump. But we're going to show you so many different ways that you can use that to build your marketing strategies for you or your client base with our product. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the presentation here that we have for you, and then we'll be able to move forward and be able to answer any questions afterwards that anybody might have. So, My AI Marketing Accelerator. Where's My AI Marketing Accelerator? Why did we create a product called My AI Marketing Accelerator, right? This is the app that gives you over 20 diverse pieces of marketing, and we're continuing to add to our ecosystem of marketing that you can use to move your business or your client's business further, right? This material, right, from a single URL or from some text that you put inside of a box, you can click a button and you can actually get some marketing material. And that's why we call it the AI Marketing Accelerator, or MAMA for short. You're going to unlock limitless instant content with just a few clicks. Easily transfer My AI Marketing or My AI Marketing Accelerator creations directly to your pages that you do your marketing with, whether it be Microsoft pages, whether it be Google Docs, whether it be Canva. You can put it wherever you want to. Do you need to post it on social media? It doesn't matter. You can do this all with just one click when you get our MAMA product. So create content the easiest way with MAMA, right? My AI Marketing Accelerator. We know that you want to create content easily. One of the biggest struggles with creating content is all of the challenges that come along with the brainstorming and am I using the right content and all these things. So the biggest problem is just traditional content creation takes a very long time. It's very time consuming. Today's world, business owners, we want to get it out quick, but we want it to be really good content at the same time. So traditional content creation challenges are things like time consuming, things like resource intensive, and it's also outsourcing can become very expensive if you go to a freelancer or if you pay a company to do your marketing, create your content. It can get a little bit more expensive. If you can create the content yourself, would you? If you can create the content yourself and then give it to somebody to then put it out there for you, at least you save a little bit of money on that. And now you've got a fixed expense of having our services at either $9.97 a month, which is less than $10 a month, less than $100 a year, or even if you wait until Black Friday and you pick it up at less than $15 a month, you're still getting a great deal because at that point you're still getting less than $125 a year. Ultimately, if you say, look, let's look at it. Let's see how this all works together. See how it all comes together before I take advantage of getting something like this. Even at the full price of $24.97 a month, you're still looking at less than $250 a year or less than $25 a month to fix that cost, right? Fix that cost. Make sure that it's a fixed expense in your business and know that it won't go higher because you have a product like what we offer. So AI assistant or LLM, large language model content creation challenges. What kind of content creation challenges do you have when you're dealing with a large language model, which could be like a Chat GPT or a Bard or a Bing or all these other different large language models that are out here where you can prompt them to do certain things. Well, prompt, that's the word. That is sometimes the challenge. What prompts do I use? Remembering the prompts that you use or putting them somewhere and having them categorized somewhere or writing multiple prompts. Sometimes that can get time consuming. And writing multiple prompts looks like follow-up prompting. Sometimes we just don't want to do all of that follow-up prompting. And that's what you have. That's the challenge that you'll have sometimes dealing with the large language models. Now, me personally, I still use large language models to do specific things, but guess what? I cut down by being able to have Mama or my AI Marketing Accelerator. So that is my real support, but I still use other large language models to do some other things because our product, our software is really mainly set so that you can use it for marketing. You may be doing something else with a large language model and have to do your follow-up prompting and remembering your prompts and knowing what prompts to use. But when it comes to marketing, let us take that for you. Let us take that burden off your handle. Like what we say, let us do the heavy lifting for you. So we needed a solution, right? And me and my business partner got together. We came up with a solution. We thought about it. And guess what? It didn't stop. We're continuing to come up with more prompts that are going to be automatically in the system, more marketing tags. So we're going to continue to solve this challenge. And guess what? We need your help to do that. Because as a person who has taken advantage of this software, you'll be able to send us different suggestions on some things that can be added, and we'll add them a little bit at a time. So that's the great thing about you guys growing with us as we use this software ourselves, as we work with you all, as you use this software, we can do it together as a team. So we needed something that is simple to use. We needed something that was push button simple, right? One click or a few clicks. And we needed something to save time, because guess what every business owner or every busy human needs? They want to save time. They want to save energy, but they still want to do what? Develop content at scale. And that's what we're here to help you do. Develop content at scale, but also save you some time, make it really push button simple, right? So you don't have to be what we call tech savvy to use it. And then it's just so simple. That's why we got it on 2 different bullet points. Simple to use, right? And saving that time. So this is what led to the creation of my AI Marketing Accelerator, which is Mama. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to go into just 1 or 2 different examples of how you can use it. And once I do that, On our next videos, we're going to go into more depth and show you how to strategize with it. But we do want you guys to take advantage of at least seeing how it will work for you, how you can benefit from it. So if you bear with me here, I'm going to go ahead and come out of this. All right, so this is the My AI Marketing Accelerator. This is where you will log in. So once you go down to the bottom, right in the description of this video, click the link for either the $9.97 a month or $99 on an annual basis. When you click that link, you're going to get a welcome email. That welcome email is going to have two links. One is going to be the link to register to get yourself set up, right? So when you go in and purchase this, the email that you use when you set up your account and you're purchasing, you're going to use that same email to register and set up your login here. So it's going to be two places that you're going to use your email. When you're purchasing, right, when you click to purchase the subscription, right, annual or monthly, you're going to use your email. After that, you're going to use your email again. Make sure you click the box for understanding the terms of agreement, and then you're going to put an email in there. You're going to create a password. Boom, go ahead and cycle that through. Now, when you get here, if you want to, you can use the same password again, but definitely use the same email. Get yourself registered. The second link in that email is where you come to go here. So when you click that link, it will open up here, and then you go ahead and drop your email and your password in there. And once you do that, you'll be able to log right in every time, and it'll be real simple to use. From there, everything else is going to be a breeze. You get yourself set up. You're going to go ahead and click log me in once you have your information in there. And this is how your dashboard is going to look. Right? Your dashboard is going to look like this. So right now, we are actually giving you the benefit of being able to take advantage of ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 through our system, right? Eventually, that's going to change. So just understand, eventually, you're going to pay a little bit more to take advantage of ChatGPT 4. So go ahead and get in while you can. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to explain to you. I'm probably going to give you maybe two examples here today, because I don't want to take a lot of time today, because again, we're going to be here weekly doing demos, and we want you guys to fall in place and be able to come here and enjoy the demos, be able to ask us some questions and see how we can strategize with it. But I want you to see all what's here first, so you have a clear understanding of how that will work for you. So My AI Marketing Accelerator, MAMA for short, right here, choose your mode. This is where you put in whether you're going to use a URL or whether you're going to use text when you're doing whatever you're doing, wherever you're pulling the information from. Are you pulling it from a website, or are you pulling it by just dropping in a paragraph, or just maybe a bio or a product description, whatever it is that you want to do marketing for. So I'm going to give you an example of the URL, and I'm going to give you an example of some text so that you can see how it works its magic. Now it says enter the URL here. That's where I would drop there. I'm going to simply click here and click text. And I'm going to drop that text here. If I want to be able to see that full length of text, I'm just going to pull it right on down here, drop that text in there, and then you'll see it populate, and then you can use it. But again, I'll show you two examples today, just two. One URL example, one text example, and then next week I'll go into some more. Well, my partner's going to be here as well, Ms. Keith Sylvester. Now, see where it says GPT 3.5? You've got 3.5, 16K, 3.5 turbo without 16K, and then you've got ChatGPT 4. Now, right now, don't worry about too much about the difference between those. Just know that ChatGPT 4 is the best, 16K is the second best, and third on that totem pole is going to be turbo. So just understand, this is going to give you the lightest, this is going to be next in line, and then this is going to be 4 is going to be the heaviest, meaning it's the best response. Now, understand this as well. You probably know this from using other large language models. What is going to happen is that if you use 3.5 turbo, it's going to be fast, right? This is going to be the fastest turbo, because it's not going to, the content is not going to be as rich, not as robust, but it's going to be the fastest. And then 3.5 turbo 16K is going to be a little bit slower, but more robust. And then ChatGPT 4, and I shouldn't say chat, because even though it is using OpenAI, but I'm not going to call it chat because this is not chat. This is our product and it's marketing, right? So it is mama, but it's still pulling from that same open AI source. That's why we got GPT there. And GPT-4 is going to be the slowest to populate, but it's going to be the most robust, and it's going to be pulling information that is as current as today, right? 2023. So that's the power and what the models are. And then below that, select tasks. That is where you can click and you can look at all the different marketing strategies, and we will continue to add marketing strategies there for you. So this is going to be an ongoing thing, a growing thing, and you'll be able to really take advantage of all the different marketing strategies. And again, you'll see how to package things up so that you can market them yourself or just package them up for your own personal business or marketing that you may be wanting to do. Man, you can create some great social media posts. You can do things like your Zoom that you're putting together, create the description. You can do the intro for your ebook. You can actually put together a podcast, right, by putting in a URL or some content. But look. Let me slow down. I'm not going to do all that today. What I am going to do today is 2 examples, though, right? And then next week, we'll continue to grow, and we're going to be doing these on a weekly basis. And if the demand is there, we will do more. That's how it's going to work. And we're going to be dropping some videos that's not live, just dropping them on here as my partner and myself do that. He is definitely more tech savvy than me, so he's probably going to have some more techie videos for you, talking about different things like chatbots and all that stuff, because that's the world he lives in. But together, we're going to pull this thing together. You're really going to enjoy this channel, so we want you to take advantage of it. Now, down here, this is just your dashboard. So when you click that, it will reset, right? Refresh this dashboard. This is your saved content. So I'm in my account, so I can show you what that would mean. If I click saved content, this is information that I've already saved in folders. So I can create folders. I can save the information in those folders. And if I want to go inside that particular folder to export, to send that information, to copy it so I can use it, I'm going to simply just click on the folder. And then it's going to open up the content in the folder. And I always label the content based on what it was: marketing bullets or promo email or case study writer or marketing hooks and marketing bullets, right? I always label it. If I want to click on that particular item, I'm going to go over here and just click on open content. If I want to delete it, right, delete the content. So I'm going to open it up. Boom. This is the content that I created. That are some marketing bullets that I created by using a URL or some text. I'm not sure which one I used at this point. I can copy that and paste it somewhere else, or I can export it if I want to export it out the system. So again, right, you're going to click the folder, which will open up the content. Now you see the content. Once you click this to open the content, it will open right here. So again, guys, remember the words simple on those bullet points. This is simple for you, right? So hopefully you guys got that. I'm going to go ahead and click dashboard so I can reset that here back to our clean screen. If you have any issues with and you have any questions, you need some support, go ahead and click support, and this will open up a dialog box. You can't see it right now. Let's pull it over here. It'll open up a dialog box, and it will send an email to us of your preference, and it is going to be going to our email. Comes to us, we can respond to that email. It'll let you ask you what email that you want to use, your Outlook or your Gmail or whatever you got going on there. So that's how you do your support. So you got your support button here, your saved content here, your dashboard here, guys. See, simple, not a whole bunch of buttons. We want to make it simple for you because we want people who don't have the best technological advancement going on in their brain and in their body, right, to be able to say, this is a real simple system. It costs less than $10 right now. It'll be less than $15 during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and then less than $25 from this point on, unless you're picking up the Pro or the Enterprise, where you'll be able to use it on a corporate level and have users using this. And that's what we're talking about, you making that good old moolah from our services here by creating more of a marketing strategic company, right? Have your own little SaaS going right through us, working with us, and we're going to help you do that and cut down. And that what? The AI do the heavy lifting for you. So let me go ahead and use an example here. So let's start with some text. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some text. And guys, don't mind. Let's see. how about I go to the Sleep Doctor's chronotype page, right? So here we're talking about the lion chronotype. We're not going to get into what the lion chronotype is. We won't do all of that. Just understand this is about your circadian rhythms. It's something that I study and something that I train on. So I'm just going to grab this particular site here, like just this URL here for that. And let me see if I can the lion chronotype. Grab this URL like this, and I'll go over here to our. So it says enter URL. Let's go ahead and drop that there like that. And now, what kind of marketing do I want to do, right? Let's say I want to do a little bit of marketing about chronotype, particularly the lion chronotype. Here's the different options and some things that I can do, right? Promo emails, marketing hooks, Facebook ads, blog post writer. Let's say that I wanted to do a podcast, right? Let's take something like a podcast, and I want to do a podcast on chronotype, the lion chronotype. I'll go ahead and do podcast script writer. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna go ahead and click it, right? So this is why I said a few clicks, right? So I went on ahead and clicked, I dropped it, right? I chose URL, that's one click, right? I didn't choose my model, so that wasn't a click, but you can choose your model. So let's count that as a second click. And then now I'm going to select my task, which is a third click, which is podcast script writer. If I wanted to do something for every marketing, I could have just left that blank and just brain dumped everything, but I'm not going to do that. But I'll tell you why it's a good idea to do that in one of our next videos. Not today, but one of our next videos when we're talking about strategies. I'm just going to do podcast writer. So this is our choose mode, one click, enter the URL, 2 clicks, select the model, 3 clicks, select the task, 4 clicks, and my 5th click is going to be to click submit. And we're going to see how fast it comes up with this. And if you want to count, you can, right? So what we on? We are on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. There it is. 1 minute and 40 seconds. And this is what me having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 windows open on one computer screen, another 4 windows open on another computer screen. I've got Zoom recording right now. I've got all kind of bandwidth happening right now. And in 1 minute and 40 seconds, we were able to create a podcast script just based on a URL. Isn't that fantastic? Come on, guys. So I know wherever you at looking at this video, you clapping, you excited with me. Come on, guys. $10 a month, $99 a year for something like this. So let's take a look at what it wrote. Introduction. So it's got the introduction. It's even got the placeholder so that you know what you're doing. Right. Remember, guys, this is dumbed all the way down to the lowest possible compound. So look, introduction, host. Welcome to the Sleepopolis podcast, where we dive into the world of sleep and all things related. In today's episode, we will be exploring the fascinating topic of chronotypes, specifically the lion chronotype. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the lion chronotype and how it affects sleep patterns and productivity. So grab a cozy blanket and get ready to learn about the lion chronotype's ultimate guide. So check this out. Introduction, Section 1, what is chronotype? Section 2, introducing the lion chronotype. Section 3, lion chronotype sleep schedule. Section 4, optimizing productivity as a lion. Section 5, exercise in the lion chronotype, and then the conclusion. So you've got it all broken down into sections. So you've got the introduction at the top, the conclusion on the bottom. Man, this thing is awesome, right? And I can go back up to the top here, and that would really be beneficial if I did a brain dump and I had a whole bunch of information to pull up for a whole bunch of different marketing strategies, but I don't. So scroll back down. I can copy it by clicking copy successfully copy to your clipboard, right? Nice and big. I love that too. I think I got my computer on like maybe 125 on a Zoom, right? So it's nice and right in your face. I'm 48. I'm getting to the age at 48 years old. I need to see stuff big, right? So you can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. And I can also save this. So let me take you through the process of saving this thing here. And let me see if I already have a folder for phenotype, because I'm like, let me see. I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a phenotype folder. So we see where it says add new folder. That's the option I'm choosing. And I'm gonna put phenotype folder. So now I'm keeping everything organized. So it's important to organize your files when you're creating them so you can go back to them. Because now, guess what? It doesn't make sense to use a product or service like this that will allow you to save time if you go and create unorganized files and then fall back into that loop of being unorganized in the first place, right? That's the side tip. I'm not going to charge you for that. Free, but just keep in mind, keep it organized, guys. Chronotype folder, and this is the line chronotype. So I'm going to go up here and put, right, and I always put what it is that I put. So I'm going to say podcast scriptwriter so that I know I identify it, right? And then I'm going to say Lion chronotype. There it is. I got the title described. I've got my folder created. I'm going to go ahead and save that content. Boom. It's saved. You guys got it? Real simple, guys. 1 minute and 40 seconds. That was real quick. I created some marketing material for the Lion chronotype here, right? That was your URL. Now, I'm going to go back to that same page for the sake of time. So, because I want y'all to understand the concepts. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time looking for things, so I want this to be really simple for you. That's why I'm going to do it this way. Now I'm just going to grab content. I'm going to the same URL, but instead of using URL, I'm going to do some more marketing, but I'm going to just go do content. Now, before I do that, no, and I'll wait. I was going to show you the folders, but I'll wait till after I do this, and then I'll show you the folder afterwards. So now let's go ahead and grab some content. I'm going to go back to the same website, right? And now I'm going to just look for some particular content. So let me see. Let me look for. All right. So Sharon Brandwine, right? This person is obviously the author of this and a freelance writer. So this is great. So I'm just going to grab this person's bio. So let's say you had a marketing customer or you had your own bio that you had, right? Grab that bio. Real simple. This is me just, right, grabbing some content, some text. Again, imagine in your head, this is your bio. This is a client's bio, and you're going to do some marketing with it. So here you go. I'm going to grab that content off the site. I'm going to go head right on back to mobile, and I'm going to change. Not click one. I'm going to change that URL to text. Enter text now. You guys follow that? Yes or yes? Go in the comments of this YouTube video and be like, I got this, that you got that. Just put that in there, some feedback. And remember, this is a great place to give us feedback and tell us some more marketing strategies you would love to see in here, because that will allow us to have our programmer do that, guys. We want y'all to grow with us. This is the very first company that I've been able to launch with somebody where we're starting it from scratch, right? And building it with people, right? Even though I've been an entrepreneur for almost 20 years. So this is really great for me. Can you tell I'm excited? Tell I'm excited? Right. And my partner, he's on the other side of the spectrum. He's like so cool and laid back. So when you see Keith, you're gonna see just how I'm over here, he's over here. But guess what? We work so well together because of the way our brains work. So this is gonna be just an awesome, awesome, awesome product and service that we're offering, and we want you guys to grow with us. So I know that was a sidebar conversation. So let me get back into it. On the text, we're gonna do a count up again, right? And then I'll get fancier maybe in a couple other videos where I just let the clock run and, you know, all of that great stuff. But right now, just kind of giving you guys some energy, text. Now, here we go. I am just going to drop it. I do not know who this person is. I just know that they freelanced on that article. So no connection here, just using the information so I can show you how it works. Enter text. I'm going to go ahead and drop that in here. Again, imagine that being your particular bio or something, right? So first click, enter text. Second click, put the text in there. Third click, let's go ahead and choose a different one. Let's go ahead and go 3.5 turbo this time. And then now I'm gonna select tasks. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of podcast script writer, and let's now look at some other things that other strategies that we could use. Facebook ad, blog post writer, LinkedIn ad, Google AdWords, Twitter post writer, Instagram caption generator, press release writer, product description writer, sales letter generator, webinar invitation, podcast script writer, ebook intro section writer, product landing page creator. This is awesome. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome how many things? Could you imagine like 12 months from now, even 6 months from now? Right now, I think we got 32 different options in here. Man, this thing is gonna be flooded and it's gonna be organized for you guys to be able to do strategies, right? I mean, this is like fantastic, right? Customer service compiler, right? Customer testimonial compiler. Super awesome. And we're gonna show you how to use that and how you can use that customer testimonial compiler to really make it easier for you to get testimonials from your clients, right? Newsletter content creator, case study writer, Instagram post, analogy maker, product review, video script writer, push notification creator. This is just too awesome. Chatbot script designer, event flyer text creator, brand storyteller. Man, let's go with the brand storyteller, right? So all we got is this little bit of a story on Sharon. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the last name. Sharon Brandwine. Again, don't know who this person is, just know that they're a freelance writer, what it says there. So I'm going to go ahead and do brand storyteller. So let's do a brand storyteller on this person with just this paragraph and see just how much information Mama can come up with by just this small paragraph that we have on this freelance writer. So the first click was what? I chose text. The second click was what? I entered text. The third click was what? I chose my model. The fourth click was what? I selected a task. The fifth click is going to be what? Bing, 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 bing. Submit that bad boy so we can see it spell out. Y'all ready to count with me? Come on, let's do it. Submit. Come on, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch it up. 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 20 Mississippi, 21 Mississippi, 22 Mississippi, 23 Mississippi, 24 Mississippi. Man, look at that bad boy. Less than 30 seconds. And we did our brand storyteller. I'm telling you, this is great. Now look, just check this out and see what it says. Brand storyteller for Sharon. Sharon understands that sleep is not just a luxury, but a fundamental pillar of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. She recognizes that in a society that glorifies hustle and burnout, it's time to reclaim our right to a restful night's sleep. Through her coaching and guidance, Sharon empowers individuals to unlock the secrets of quality sleep, enabling them to perform at their best and live life to the fullest. But Sharon's connections with her audience goes deeper. Beyond the realm of sleep, you'll find her curating a wardrobe for her puppy, a testament to her unwavering commitment to nurturing every aspect of life. Her genuine warmth and relatability make her more than just an expert. She is a trusted companion on the journey to holistic well-being. So if you're ready to embrace the power of sleep, to awaken your full potential, and discover a life that is vibrant and energized, look no further than Sharon Brandwine. Let her guide you towards a world where rest is revered and dreams become a reality. It's time to wake up to transform into the power of sleep. I would love to do that introduction for her. I would love to do that introduction. Guess what? It was written by Mama based on that small paragraph. Guys, you seeing this in action? $10 a month, $99 a year. You gotta be kidding me. This is a fantastic way to use marketing. Guys, this is just the first video. You guys are looking at the first video. I really wish my partner was here with me shooting this video, but he's off doing other things that's going to benefit the company. So let's look, we're excited. We're excited for you. I'm gonna show you how this saved content looks in the folder, and I'm gonna show you a quick shortcut. Brand storyteller. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that word brand storyteller, so I don't have to write it. And then I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna say save. I'm gonna put it in the same folder, right? Because it's from the same topic, right? But I'm going to change the name here, and instead of brand podcast scriptwriter, I'm gonna go ahead and paste brand storyteller, and I'm going to say author of article and freelance writer. Let me go ahead and put a dash here, and I'm gonna put her name Sharon Brandwine. Hope I'm saying your name right, Sharon. Don't know who you are, but I hope I'm saying your name right. Right? Chronotype folder. Boom. There it is. Lock it up. Content saved. Phenomenal. Second time, guys, less than 30 seconds. So between both, 2 minutes and 10 seconds around about, right? 2 minutes and 10 seconds to get this information, guys. Just totally awesome here. I'm going to go ahead and hit dashboard. I think I'm going to hit dashboard. No, I'm going to hit save content. I'm sorry. Save content so you guys can see what I saved. Here it is, guys. Chronotype folder, the information I just saved. Click on the folder. Here it is, the podcast writer and the brand storyteller. If I had done that for this person, all I have to do is go ahead and click on it, open this bad boy up, copy it or export it out of here. If I export it, it's going to be HTML text, and I can grab this one if I want to. Same thing. Guys, look, this is awesome. Video one, we got much more to show you all here. We just don't want to have videos too long. I'm not sure how long this one is because I'm not paying attention to the time, but I'm excited. You can always stop it. You can fast forward. You can do whatever you want with it. So I believe a video should be as long as it needs to be. So dashboard. I am going to come on out of here now. Stop sharing my screen. That was awesome. I am so excited about that. So again, I'm Robert Dunbar, TBD Coaching and Training, also partnered with Mr. Keith Sylvester and our company we have together called My AI Marketing Solutions. And the very first product that we have released from our company, we're on a soft launch right now. It's called My AI Marketing Accelerator. For short, we're calling it MAMA, right? Because Mama knows best, right? We have the mother of marketing software. That's why we call it MAMA. So look, guys, we look forward to you guys working with us. Be here with us on Thursdays. Right now, we're looking at a good, comfortable time to do this on Thursdays so that we can get as many people on live as we can. We're going to be doing these videos live so that you can engage with us. Plus, we're going to be shooting some pre-recorded videos as well. So just follow us. Make sure, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you click the links. Give us some support. We're going to be here. We're going to be able to answer your questions. And we're going to do this from this point on. So this is Robert Dunbar. Peace, guys. Thanks for working with us and Mama, looking at our very first demo on Mama. We look forward to seeing you guys on our future videos. And don't forget, Mama knows best. We look forward to seeing you guys again.